What if you could access all your movies, music, and photos from anywhere in your home, all powered by a tiny Raspberry Pi? Sounds amazing, right? Welcome back to the Mini PC Tech Channel. I'm Mike, your host, here to talk about all things Mini PC. With over 40 years of experience in software, electronics, and cybersecurity, and as the proud owner of 5 Mini PCs, I've got a lot of tips to share. Today, I'm walking you through how to turn a Raspberry Pi into a powerful media server. From choosing the right hardware and software to setting it up step by step, we've got you covered. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And check the links in the description for all the resources you'll need. To get started, you'll need 3 things. First, a Raspberry Pi. Choose the right model for your needs. Then you'll need adequate storage, external drives, or even a NAS works great. Finally, you'll need software like Plex or Kodi for your media server setup. Whatever you pick, be sure you've met the software and hardware requirements to run it. The first step is to install the operating system. Use an installer like the Raspberry Pi Imager to do this. Next, you'll want to install the Configure Your Home network, including configuring your external drives and any connections you'll need to your output devices like speakers and displays. Finally, you'll install the media software and get it configured. That should get your media server up and running. Now you're ready to download media and enjoy. Once your media is uploaded, it's all about organization. Follow the instructions in the software to set up libraries for movies, music, and photos, and how to access them easily from TVs, phones, or computers. Got issues? Don't worry. We have blog posts that cover common problems and how to solve them, plus share tips to optimize performance. Check the links below. That's it, your Raspberry Pi is now a media powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more Mini PC tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off from Mini PC Tech.